Is your productivity stopped because your app can't find the libegl.dll? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's identify the gap and fix it with an automated solution. Before we get started with libegl, you may want to try the diagnostic path below to ensure your system is properly synchronized. This DLL file is the Khronos Native Platform Graphics Interface Library. It acts as an interface between Khronos rendering APIs like OpenGL.ES and the underlying Windows display system, handling Windows Surface Management. Now that you have the context, let's move into the repair process with a fresh installation. The libegl.dll is distributed with graphics driver, GPU, and should not be downloaded separately. Reinstall the official graphics driver, GPU package to restore this dependency correctly. When a standard software refresh isn't enough, we need to bypass the automated installers and look at manual system state resets. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the libegl component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. Beyond the repair, maintaining a secure workstation requires avoiding a few common technical mistakes. Please use caution. Replacing the libegl.dll manually often requires elevated permissions that, if mishandled, can leave your system architecture vulnerable to external exploits. Let's conclude by looking at how a system maintenance utility can help keep your performance optimized and your libraries synchronized. Review options for improving system stability and resource management by consulting the diagnostic information linked below for the libegl. Your feedback is valuable. If this fix got the libegl working for you, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure environment.